Impero's Confide tool is a confidential safeguarding reporting system, allowing students to easily confide concerns to members of staff. To set up the Confide tool, open the Impero server. Navigate to the Confide tab and click to enable the Impero Confide system. From here, you can modify the text that will appear on the welcome page when a student clicks on the Confide button. Under the Report tab, you can define which members of staff will be able to access Confide and view any confides that are submitted. Users can choose which of these members of staff to submit their Confide concerns to. From the Options tab, you can define further settings for the Impero Confide system. You can make changes to the way users view and access Confide, such as choosing to display the Confide button on the logon screen or on the desktop, and disabling anonymous reporting. You can also alter the way that confides are managed, creating a list of the severity levels, statuses, and classifications that can be assigned to a Confide submission. When a user clicks on the Confide button, the Confide logger will automatically open onto the welcome page. Clicking on Continue will allow the user to type in the issue they want to report and choose which member of staff they would like to send their Confide to. Users can also type in their contact details, or they can opt to remain anonymous, as long as this feature has not been disabled.